Imagine this. You're late 60s, you're retired, ready to enjoy life. You are a hard-working man or woman, but now it's time to kick back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. But something is missing. The spark isn't there anymore. Your days are slow and boring, and you can't help but feel a sense of loneliness creeping in. You miss the satisfaction of a job well done. You miss having something to wake up for every morning. Most of all, you miss feeling like you're part of something bigger than yourself. This is where gardening can make a world of difference. Gardening has been practiced for centuries, and its benefits for our mental health are backed by science. It can be an incredibly rewarding hobby, but that's not all. There are several other benefits to gardening that many people don't know about. In this video, we will discuss 7 ways gardening can help you live a happier life. So if you are a senior citizen, or no one, keep watching. This video is for you. No. 1. It helps to beat depression. If you are a senior struggling with depression, you may want to consider taking up gardening as a hobby. A study published in the Journal of Psychiatric Research found that people who garden regularly have lower levels of depression than those who do not. Gardening can provide a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that can improve your mood. Additionally, spending time outdoors in nature has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety levels. So if you are feeling down, grab a shovel and get to work. You may just find that gardening is the perfect therapy for you. No. 2. Improves your sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for our physical and mental well-being. However, millions of adults struggle to get the sleep they need. Fortunately, there are things you can do to improve your sleep quality, such as gardening. That's right. Study published in the Journal of Horticulture. Therapy and Health found that people who gardened regularly had better sleep quality than those who did not. Gardening can help you get a good night's sleep in a few ways. First, it can help you get some exercise during the day, which can tire you out and make it easier to fall asleep at night. Additionally, gardening can help you get some exposure to natural light, which can help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Finally, gardening can simply be a relaxing and enjoyable activity that can take your mind off of any stress or worries you may have, making it easier to drift off to dreamland. So if you are having trouble sleeping, try gardening. It may be just what the doctor ordered. No. 3. Boost your immune system. As we age, our immune systems become weaker, and we become more susceptible to illness and disease. However, there are things we can do to boost our immune systems, such as gardening. That's right. A study published in the Journal of Environmental Health found that people who gardened regularly had stronger immune systems than those who did not. Gardening can help you boost your immune system in a number of ways. First, gardening can expose you to a variety of beneficial bacteria and fungi, which can help train your immune system to fight off harmful pathogens. Additionally, gardening can help you get some exercise and exposure to natural sunlight, both of which can help boost your overall health and immune function. Finally, gardening can simply be a relaxing and enjoyable activity that can help reduce stress and boost your mood. And we all know that stress can weaken our immune systems. So if you are looking for a way to boost your immune system, consider gardening. No. 4. Relieve stress and anxiety. Life can be stressful. Deadlines at work, kids to take care of, bills to pay. It seems like there is never enough time to relax and unwind. But what if there was an easy, enjoyable way to relieve stress and anxiety? Enter gardening. A study published in the International Journal of Environmental Health Research found that gardening can help people cope with stress and anxiety. When you garden, you are in nature. And being in nature has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and body. Additionally, gardening can be a very mindful activity. You focus on the task at hand, whether it is planting, weeding, or watering. This can help you let go of any worries or thoughts you may have, and just be present in the moment. Finally, gardening can simply be a relaxing and enjoyable activity. Seeing your plants grow and thrive can be very rewarding and satisfying. So if you are feeling stressed or anxious, try gardening. It's maybe just what you need to relax and unwind. No. 5. Promotes mindfulness. In today's world, it seems like we are constantly bombarded with distractions. We have phones, TV, social media. It can be hard to focus on the present moment. However, there is one activity that can help us be more mindful: gardening. When you garden, you are fully engaged in the present moment. You are focused on the task at hand. Whether it is planting, weeding, or watering. This can help you let go of any distractions and just be present in the moment. Additionally, gardening can be a very meditative activity. The repetitive motions of gardening can help you enter a state of flow. This is a state of intense focus and complete immersion in an activity. When you are in a state of flow, you are completely present in the moment, and nothing else matters. Finally, gardening can simply be a relaxing and enjoyable activity. Seeing your plants grow and thrive can be very rewarding and satisfying. So if you are looking for a way to promote mindfulness in your life, try gardening. 6. Improve social connections. As humans, we are social creatures. We need connection and belonging. However, as we age, we can become increasingly isolated. We may lose friends and family members. We may move to a new place. We may not be able to get around as well as we used to. All of this can lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation. But there is one activity that can help combat loneliness and isolation: gardening. When you garden, you have the opportunity to connect with others who share your passion. You can join a gardening club. You can volunteer at a community garden. You can even just chat with your neighbors about their gardens. Additionally, gardening can be a great way to meet new people. When you are out in public, tending to your garden, you are more likely to strike up conversations with others. People see you enjoying your garden, and they want to know how you did it. They ask you for advice. They share their own experiences. All of this can help you build new friendships and connections. Finally, gardening can simply be a great way to get to know your community better. When you are out in your garden, you are more likely to notice things going on in your neighborhood. You see people walking their dogs, you see kids playing, you see other people gardening. All of this can help you feel more connected to your community and less isolated. So if you are feeling lonely or isolated, try gardening. It may be just what you need to connect with others. 7. Increases self-esteem. As we age, our self-esteem can take a hit. We may compare ourselves to younger, more attractive people. We may feel like we are losing our independence. We may feel like we are a burden to others. All of these negative thoughts can lead to low self-esteem. But there is one activity that can help boost self-esteem: gardening. When you garden, you are accomplishing something. You are growing something from a small seed into a beautiful plant. You are providing food for yourself and others. You are beautifying your community. All of this can help you feel proud of yourself and increase your self-esteem. Additionally, gardening can be a great way to get some exercise and fresh air. When you are out in your garden, you are more likely to be positive and upbeat. You're more likely to see the good in yourself and others. This can help you develop a positive self-image and increase your self-esteem. Finally, gardening can simply be a great way to relax and distress. When you are out in your garden, you are more likely to focus on the present moment and let go of any worries or thoughts you may have. This can help you feel more calm and centered, which can lead to increased self-esteem. So if you are looking for a way to boost your self-esteem, try gardening. It may be just what you need. In conclusion, there are many benefits to gardening, especially for seniors. Gardening can be a great way to stay active, eat healthy, save money, reduce stress, and more. If you are a senior or know a senior, encourage them to try gardening. It may be just what they need to improve their overall well-being. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you think it will help someone else. Also, please let us know in the comments below if you have ever tried gardening. We'd love to hear your thoughts.